Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let to show you the way how to edit video like a pro with the CapCut application. So open your project. I already have these two video clips, so this is the first clip and this one is the second clip. I will let to merge these two with a smooth movement so that there will be no like this transitions. Okay, so to do that you just need to go click the second clip here, and let's just make this clip become an overlay part. So you just need to take a look at this button features, scroll into the left side until you find an overlay, and right after that you just need to go drag this point into the specific point that you want to place them. I would like to expand this video a bit far up to here, and also I would like to expand this a little bit far again up to here. So I already have this two video, and I would like to drag this overlay clip so that they will be like start appearing whenever the main video have the 3 seconds. And the next thing we need to do is just go click this overlay clip. I would like to add animations first so that the movement will be smooth. I would like to add the fade in, and here I would like to increasing the durations up to like 2 seconds. And right after that I just need to go click the clip again and make sure that this straight line is done in the first clip or first section of the clip. And now we just need to go click this section into the left side and find mask, and you just need to choose this horizontal one and just go click this add keyframe. And now we just need to drag this into the specific positions of whenever the red part is start to be appear. Oh my bad, I think I missed it. So before you add the keyframe, make sure that this mask is applied is the whole in the whole screen. So you just need to drag it into the downside. And right after that, now you just need to add the keyframe. Now we just need to drag this straight line into the specific part here, and then you just need to move this part into the middle positions right here, and expand the blur color here so that they will have a smooth transitions. And you need to drag it again into the specific positions, and you just need to like adjusting the straight line with 2 of your finger, and you just need to move it like this, move into the specific part or in the end of the original clip, and drag this point until it's disappear. And here is the result. So that is the way, guys, how to edit a video like a pro only with the CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will let to see you for the next tutorial.